Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add products to your Blocksy store. Okay, so here we have our web shop. If we click on products here, we end up on our web store. And we have videos on customizing your web shop, but today's video is focused on adding a new product. So let's head over to our dashboard, and here on the left-hand side, you can see WooCommerce, and under that we have products. So let's click on products, click on add new, and let's call this clear power bank 7900 mAh. And you can add our description here. We can add pictures and whatnot, but we can also add files from our library. Now if we went down here, we have our clear power bank, and then we have things in our gallery, and we can probably just use this image of our box, and then we can set our price to $32, and then we can have a sale price of $28, and then we can schedule that from when to when, and then we can have our inventory here, so we can have our SKU. We can have we can manage our stock, so we can have 6 there, and then we can limit how many is sold. We can put the weight, so it's less than a kilo, so 0.2 probably makes sense. And we can put link products for other things here, so we have our tablet, we have a smartphone, we have other attributes here, so we have color, and we have purchase notes when someone buys it, and other extensions here that are available if we wish to install those. But this is as simple as we can get. And then we have our simple product description here, our short description, that is, and this displays differently on our product page. Okay, so we can save it as a draft or preview it. We can also put this into one of our other categories. Okay, and we excuse me, we can have tags. Here we can have lithium ion, hit enter, clear, plastic, electronics, and so on and so forth. And we have a bunch of different templates here, but we don't need to worry about those unless you're using GreenShift. Okay, so we can click on publish, and once we're done, we can go ahead and go to our products page. Okay, we can hit refresh, and you can see, if we clicked on sort by latest, we have our new product. And you can click on this, and you can see since we entered the sale price, it displays rather than the official price. We have our SKU, we have our categories, we have our description here, we have our short description here, and some other information. It's automatic from what we've added here, and we have reviews, of which we have none of, and you can see the tablet and the power bank that we set up on this page as our cross-sells and upsells. So there's how you add a product to your Blocksy web shop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.